like you're skating on ice? Why? Because it's so cold? Good morning. The girls and I kind of got out of bed around 9:30. We were trying to all sleep in and get a lot of rest, and Bo definitely wanted to sleep even though it's cold. I told him we'd go to the pool so that they could get a little bit of swimming in. So we ate cereal bars and fruit pouches. Mia is over here. She decided she wanted to be nice and cozy in her towels. It's really cold. It's really chilly, but Mackenzie ended up deciding to brave it in the pool, and she's been swimming for about 20 minutes, and she's done the splash pad and the pool, and she's like a champ. I think part of it helps that she found a little friend in the pool, so she has a little friend to play with. They're the only ones in the pool. Just taking it easy today, so we're gonna chill for a while, and then we were thinking about going to Disney Springs this afternoon to do some shopping, and then maybe trying to go over to the Chocolate Emporium or Hard Rock Cafe or something for dinner in City Walk. So we'll see. Yeah, it is a chilly morning. It's actually, yeah, it's 64. It said 70 when I got out of bed, so I was like, oh, well, that's not too terrible. It's overcast, and there's a little breeze, so it makes it extra cold, and then it's spitting like a mist of rain. It's not like hard rain or anything. It's just there's like a mist coming down from the sky. But when I woke up, it said 70 degrees, so I was like, oh, we could do 70, and now it's 64. We thought, well, we'll just do it. I mean, they have the entire pool themselves, so if you can handle it, that's kind of fun. What do you think, Mia?
Good.
You think it's good? You think it's good as long as you're like snuggled up with some towels? Yeah. She's doing it. I'm so proud of her. Look at her. Well, Mia decided to brave it. She's going in too. How's it feel, Mia? Feels good? Can you feel the rain? You can't? The rain's coming down pretty good, but the girls are still in the pool. It's 80 degrees in the pool, but it's like 61 degrees outside. So they are like feeling pretty warm in the pool, but I am freezing. But I'm just glad they're having a good time. And Bo gets to sleep a little bit longer. The water is dripping off of the umbrella here. It is getting rainy. It's like coming down on, you know, it's pretty wet. It's coming down on the chair. I had to move the towel out of the way because it's coming down. We have our bag covered up with a raincoat. I'm glad I brought this raincoat, so all of our stuff is in this bag, but at least it's like covered up. We bundled up in a towel. They're still swimming. Look at that. That's hilarious.
Always comes here.
I don't know, I guess they like it here.
I know why.
Why?
It's a big pool.
Yeah, they like it because they get to swim. How does it feel to be out of the pool?
Good.
You feel nice and toasty? She has 2 towels on to keep her warm. And Mackenzie's still in the pool. Yeah, that was some awesome swimming. Way to go. Provided us each a baggie for our mask while we're eating our lunch, which that's cool. That's the first time I've ever seen anybody do that. Mackenzie likes her cranberry juice. Mia, how's your apple juice? You like it?
Yes.
Well, these crayons are 2-sided and they're different colors. There's a green and a purple one, red and orange. That's cool. The girls got grilled chicken breast and green beans, and it comes with a drink. It was $9.99. And then I got the Impossible Burger. It's a vegan burger with cheddar cheese, tomato, lettuce, and then an onion ring on top. I substituted my fries for green beans. And then Bo got the legendary original burger, or whatever. And it has cheese and onion ring and bacon. It's a regular steak burger. It looks yummy. And he got fries. Take a bite of this burger. Looks pretty awesome. Really good flavor. And a lot of like textures going on. Like there's crispy from the onion ring, and the vegan patty is really good. I just wanted something a little light. We're gonna eat a lot of junk food while we're here, so I was trying to be slightly good. That's why me and the girls got green beans instead of fries. It was really good. Mayo is awesome. I kind of mixed the mayo and the ketchup on my burger, and it's really, really good. We also got just regular mustard and regular mayo. They just bring it all out to your table, but this mayo right here is really awesome. We are headed back to the hotel from Hard Rock Cafe after eating a very filling, wonderful lunch. We are gonna just drop a few things off at the room, then head over to Disney Springs, just do a little bit of shopping and hanging out. You're so fast. This is a really pretty walk. It's not bad at all, and it's actually a really scenic view, and you can kind of see some of the rides a little bit through the trees. It's 5:03. We've been hanging out in our hotel room for a few hours. Well, for about an hour and 15 minutes just resting. And I'm making myself a pot of coffee in our little Keurig here. Some French roast. And just for a little pick-me-up and some warmth. I'm still a little chilly. Like I feel like my internal temperature's coming back. What are you doing? We're finally gonna make it to Disney Springs. Our goals to do at Disney Springs are, we wanna go to Blaze Pizza for dinner.
I need to get some hot cocoa.
And Mia wants some hot cocoa. I think we're gonna go to Ghirardelli's for ice cream. And then I wanted to take Bo to the Coca-Cola place so he could go to that Coca-Cola bar upstairs and like get a Coke there or something. And then I don't know, maybe we'll shop a little bit, maybe go to the Cinex store or the Disney store. But that's the plan. We'll see how much we can get in before we're all exhausted. Woohoo! There's Mickey! This is interesting. This is where they are screening everyone for their temperature. So they have basically almost the whole lot 2 blocked off for temperature screenings. You're not gonna look? You don't want to look?
No, I'm gonna look, but it's gonna be a surprise.
When we get down there? It's gonna be a surprise? Yeah?
I look.
All right, I'm looking. Go, 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 go.
I love it.
You love it? How do you feel about going up into the Coca-Cola building?
Good.
Good. What did you just say?
I said I'm kind of scared of heights.
Kind of scared of heights, but luckily it's a building and there's like a ledge on it, right? So look, sign of good taste, glass. I don't know what that means, but so notice on the wall, all the glass. Okay, what's the next one?
Liquid.
Liquid. Taste the feeling. All right, so this is floor 2. You want to go in there?
I want to go in. Look at that color.
What? Oh, the pillow. It's a Walt Disney Coca-Cola bear. Coca-Cola pajamas. Oh my goodness. Here we go. This is the next one.
Okay.
Ice is important. It's best served cold. Here we go.
Oh,
Look, isn't it cool out here? Do you guys want to get something up here?
okay, yeah.
They have like floats, cocktails, mocktails,
I'll have like
all kinds of stuff.
okay.
You gonna send it to Matt? Got a 32-ounce cooked slushy for $4.50, and we are gonna split it in a couple of extra cups as a little treat before we eat dinner. You like it? You can take your mask off. Good? We are up on the top of the Coke building, enjoying some Coke and a nice view. It's really nice up here. It's about 61 degrees outside, but there's some heaters up here on the ceiling that keep it super, super comfy and toasty. Like I can feel the heat coming down off of these things. It feels really nice. So on cold nights, they can keep this outdoor kind of bar area really nice and toasty. You love cheese pizza, I know, and Blaze is closed. We were gonna come here for dinner and they are closed. We started walking over here and I was like, this is not a promising sign that there is not anyone sitting here. Crap. Bo is eating a hot cherry pepper from the San Gennaro, whatever it's called, pizza all by itself. It's like this heat that like you don't think it's that bad and then it just keeps getting worse and you're like, oh, that's hot. Holy crap, that's hot. Pretty bad? No? Do you need some water?
That's tangy.
It's hot. It's like you're not expecting it. I thought maybe it was a tomato, and then I bit into it and I was like, this is definitely not a tomato. It's a hot cherry pepper. Needless to say, I did not finish the rest of it. I only ate half of it. Way to go. It's a boat that turns into a car. And a car that turns into a boat. Time at Disney Springs today, I got a chance to go into the Sanuk store, which I love. The whole store was on sale. Everything was 30% off. So I got these. These ended up being about $22 with tax and everything. I was excited about that buy. We went over to get dessert at Ghirardelli's after we ate at Pizza Ponte. I don't know if it's Pizza Ponte or Pizza Ponte or Pizza Ponte. Anyway, we went there for dinner and just got like 2 slices of pizza. Bo and I were still a little full from the Hard Rock Cafe this afternoon. It was like 2:30 or 3 when we ate at the Hard Rock Cafe. We weren't super hungry tonight, so we just got 2 slices of pizza, which were rather large, and split them between the 4 of us. And then we just got waters. We were gonna get some ice cream at Ghirardelli's, and then we went over there and they were doing like a virtual queue just to get in to order. And they didn't have a lot of seating inside. I think the seating was all outside. But just to get in and order, there was a 35 to 40 minute wait. And they had a guy standing at each of the entrances with a huge QR code that you could scan in order to get into the virtual line. But they said it was gonna be like 35 or 40 minutes and we were like, we are not gonna wait that long for ice cream. So we ended up going to Goofy's Candy Company and the girls got some little treats for themselves. And then we went over to Trader Joe's just to grab a couple of things before we came back here. But it was a fun night. We're gonna kind of wrap it up here for the evening, unwind and get in our jammies and get ready for bed. Because we have an early morning tomorrow. Our goal is to get over to the park entrance so that we can get in at 8 a.m. 8 a.m. is when it opens, so we'll try to get over there a little early. I'm sure everybody's gonna be really thrilled about that, but at least we'll get to experience the park not as crowded and get on lots of things before the park opens to all the other guests.